I had to rub the CV axle temporarily because I had to wait for the replacement part to arrive. It helped a little bit, but it's not gonna last long. It needs to be replaced as soon as possible. Every time I install a new part, I always have to match it real good so that I don't have to waste my time installing it. So this one here looks like it's a perfect match, and there's 3 grooves, so this is a perfect match. Before you tighten up the new boot, make sure these grooves over here align to the 3 bearings, like that. So when installing a new boot here, make sure you get it on the lip here, on the shaft, the other end of the boot, and lock it in. In this section over here, I didn't show you how to use the CV boot clamp plier properly. The reason for that is the clamp is already been locked in, and all I had to do is just end cut it. I have to wrap the cable clamp with electrical tape to cover the sharp edges.